Hello. Today, I'm gonna announce that Trailers for You is now on PC. So now we are on PC. That's cool, I guess. So please subscribe because we have 4 of them already. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell you simple tutorial how to install a Windows version. Now, you're going to click on New tab, and you're going to type in, what you want. So I'll be Windows 10 because I love Windows 10. So and the way to do this, okay, so you click this. Now you're gonna install this. You're just gonna find the Windows boot disk, okay? I don't even know which one you're gonna get, but you're gonna find the boot disk. After you find the boot disk, you're gonna find it. So I'm just gonna have to be. Let's say I'm upgrading to Windows 10 ISO. Okay, so this would be your ISO right here. And what you would want to do is you would want to click it, left click it, and go up and type in and click on mount. Yeah, for mine it will do that, but for you it will do something else. But if this doesn't work, you're gonna want to install 7-zip. Okay, so you're gonna extract these files. So I recommend using 7-zip. After that, you should open. This should save. So okay, it's not there. Okay, whatever. So there should be a folder named like Win 10 ISO now. So you open it, and should be an option. There should be a few other folders, like some few other stuff like auto run stuff. What you want is you're gonna see setup.exe file. You want to run setup.exe. Then the OOBE will start, and then there you go. You just follow the steps on the Windows installation, I guess. And that's how you install an operating system really fast and really quickly on your main operating system.